Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tomica Table, and today I have with me a Hino bulldozer carrier from Red Tommy. And also, by the way, yeah, Happy New Year to all my Chinese and Singaporean viewers. Happy New Year to you, because I've been really busy the past few days visiting people, so no time to make videos. Well, anyway, now I have the time, and let's get on with the Hino bulldozer carrier. This one is the newer style Red Tommy box with facts about Tomica on top, and the back says it's from 1997. So anyway, let's get into the truck and not waste too much time on the box. So as you can see, we have a truck as well as a separate bulldozer attachment. So let's go through the bulldozer first, because that's just plain plastic. So we have fully green in just, normal molded plastic. No, print detailing whatsoever. It's just, even the tracks are just pure green. I mean, can't really say too much about that. It's just a add-on, which makes the truck even cooler. So we got our, our front tipper head, and then our tracks, a place for one person to sit, and yeah, it's actually pretty detailed for a mini plastic model. Also, there are no movable features, so no, it does not roll, and the bucket does not move. Well, anyway, this one fits right on the back of the truck, either this way or the other way, doesn't really matter, as well as your, I guess it becomes a little ramp where you can just drive your bulldozer up and park it on the truck, and then it doesn't really seem to close. Oh, yeah, it does. Perfectly fit. And yeah, they actually did a pretty good job in designing this truck. Actually pretty impressed with this little piece right here and how it just fits really nicely on the flatbed of the truck. Anyway, on to more parts of the truck. Well, we just clear some random stuff off the paper. We have our stand right here, so let me try to put it up. So when you're unloading your bulldozer, you don't want your truck to destabilize, so you put these on, put down your ramp, and yeah, I guess that somehow prevents the truck from moving. So it lifts the front wheel up right there, just like in the real truck, which is pretty cool. Also, these stands, I think they should fold away. Let me actually try. Yep, they fold away like that, just before they touch the second wheel. So yeah, rolls pretty nicely still, and actually a pretty neat detail. We also got 5 studded chrome wheels right here, 6 of them, actually, 3 on both sides. And well, now let's get onto the cab of the truck. We have a perfect chrome bumper right here. Well, not really a bumper, it's more of a grill with no tampos at all. So it's just, a chrome grill. The badge of the truck right here is just plain yellow, and then our bumper with a little black attachment from the base. We have no tampos whatsoever, just apart from our basic yellow paint and clear green windscreen. For the chassis of the truck, we also have plain yellow all the way for the sides and the other side, as well as a plain back with no rear light tampos. And we also got a little rivet here, because I think, nope, maybe not. I thought this bed could tip back, but I guess not. This rivet, I guess, is just to hold the plastic in place, and then our little forks at the back, they are held on by these little pins right here. Now for the base, we have just Hino truck. Not much detailing on the model. I don't even know if this, the real name of this truck is actually just a Hino truck, but I think there may be another name for it. So do let me know down in the comments if you know the full name of this truck. Well, anyway, it's made in China, 1989 Tommy, because this one was used for I guess quite a few models actually, from back in the made in Japan days. And for the front right here, we got number 52, scale 1 to 102. We also got 3 rivets for the bottom. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for today's review of the Hino bulldozer carrier. So I guess thank you all for watching. Do like, comment, and subscribe.